Embarking on the cryptocurrency journey demands a solid foundation. At its core, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, secured by cryptography, and free from central bank control. Their value and security features have made them a sought-after asset. But how do you profit in this space? Multiple strategies exist. Some prefer the HODL approach, holding onto their assets for potential long-term gains. Others dive into the fast-paced world of day trading, capitalizing on price swings. Then there's mining, where you validate transactions and earn rewards, or staking and yield farming, which offer passive income by holding and leveraging your crypto. The DeFi platforms, on the other hand, revolutionize traditional finance, making services more open and accessible. However, with opportunities come responsibilities. Equip yourself with essential tools, exchanges for trading, digital wallets for storage, tracking apps for portfolio management, and reliable sources for news and education. Remember, your crypto endeavors have legal and tax ramifications. Stay informed about your country's cryptocurrency regulations, meet all tax obligations, and maintain meticulous records. In essence, the crypto world is vast and varied. Whether you're a long-term believer, a daily trader, or a DeFi enthusiast, there's a strategy that fits your goals. Dive in, stay informed, and may your crypto journey be profitable.